Hello everyone, welcome to Haptab Academy. لو معانتي سبات English كزارو خلو ببس حيز دقاق موجيغاتات كنرينا كميستيكس ناشتو يمسلو جن كتكم إلكا جيغات قبر كلها جمارس لازم سلها. It's good to know the correct version of these sentences. So, mistake number 1. She go to school every day. نسا معالتاوي نبيت مرتي تخيد. The correct version of this is she goes to school every day. معناته he, she كمبرما it زوم سالساي أكال نبلم verb s يمدوسلو. Play ديكونا plays, write ديكونا writes, read ديكونا reads, go ديكونا goes. Mistake number 2. زي تصالت رقم ميستيكا يتبقى كالله نمبال اب تليفون يكون عبدخون وطا سبات I am waiting you كبلو بزحت سمع زغن ناي preposition جيغالو I am waiting you ليكونا I am waiting for you prepositions حجي كافت حقي تي exceptions لزبزح شمديد كافت وصو ما يتخلنها سلازي براكتيسن بالمدقاقامن موفيس بمرأي كتمالكم تخل مالتي. So the correct way to say this is I am waiting for you. يتبقى الله. Mistake number 3. زون ناي preposition جيغاينا هنري. He is good in maths. على سبب a calculation a maths نفعت خوينو. بس he is good in maths. He is good in biology. كبهالي سمعي but this is wrong. He is good at maths ينانبي. زخانة نقر مالتي. He is good at maths. He is good at biology. He is good at sports. Good at. زخانة نقر حال سب دمول كوي دما نفعت هينو. Good at إلنا نقل صو مالتي. Mistake number 4. I didn't went to church yesterday. حلوف سلازخانة verb 2 هنتك أمالنا يلوم دحسو سبات بزحاتيهم. The thing is, ab hand sentence, hand verb between هنتك أم نخل. سلازي up to helping verb. Didn't انتلنا went مبالا اللي ناني. سلازي I didn't went ليكونا I didn't go to church yesterday. So the rule is one verb two in one sentence. Ab hand sentence, hand verb between هنتك أم. So the correct way to say this is I didn't go to church yesterday. تمالي نبت كريستيان I could كون. Okay. Mistake number 5. حمشيتي ببزحي تدقاقم جيغا نرى. He doesn't play football. زيا مستا mistake number 4 تماسا ساليتيا. كلتا verb 2 side by side كنتكم أين خلينا لانيرنا right? He didn't went جيغا He didn't go إلنا. Here the same thing. كلتا verb is side by side كنتكم سلازي نخل. He doesn't already verb is hello place كنبل أين خلينا. So the correct way to say this is he doesn't play football. نسو كعسو أي تصوتني. Okay. Mistake number 6. He is more taller. تأيديا أبزون كندقماينا. كلتا verb 2 we cannot use at the same time. كلتا verb is side by side كنت قامولين خلينا. أبزرما كلتا comparative degree و comparative words كنت قامين خلينا. In this case more إلنا taller تنبل أين خلينا. مخنياتو taller already comparative degree ناي tall. سلازي the correct way to say this is he is taller. Simply wanted. نسو ينوه. نزي زيادة elaborate وي سقع خندي ينوه. نمر أي additional words كم بعد a bit and much كنوتون غلينا. Okay. He is a bit taller. نيش تي نوح يبل. نقل سنتيمتر مالتي. Or I can say he is much taller. اتكمت فللي بوزح انتهينها. He is much taller. He is more taller than جيجا زخانة دون مخنيات more comparative degree. مس نو واحد قالتك نتقامولينا. نابنت إذا كابزيا تخبر كبل تخوينا this is expensiver than this أيبلني معناته لو واحد قالت already they are long enough EST أي نسخلهم منا this is more expensive than this وإذا كلتا سرحت له إذا كابزي خبر كبل this is more difficult than this وي Sarah is more beautiful than Mika level ስለዚህ more in comparative degree نتقملو قال ስለዝኾነ more and taller in the same sentence ኣይከውን ስለዚህ he is more taller ጌጋ he is more faster ጌጋ he is more smaller ጌጋ already er ንስኸሎ ቃላት እንተሎ we don't need more so this is wrong but this is correct زيادة مبرهيخة we can also use a bit and much okay mistake number 7 زيادة بالتعمي ببزحي تدقاقم جيجا نخنا مسجن thanks more نبلينا ببزحي but this is totally wrong thanks more بهذا English يلن the correct way to say it is thanks a lot كنبل نخدينا ويدما thank you very much but thanks more is grammatically incorrect. Okay, mistake number 8. Shamneti Gega. I have lived here since 5 years. نحن مش تعمتات أبحر وتهم استقامت كان خطري. Some people say I have lived here since 5 years. Gen since مالت كاب مالتي. كاب حموش عمتات أبز تقميته أي بحالمي even in Tigrinya. ن حموش عمتات أبز تقميته. So in order to say ن حموش عمتات we have to use for. So the correct way to say this is I have lived here for 5 years. أبزي نحموش عمتات تقميته. For ن مالتي. Since ندحر كنت كم قلنا since كاب مالتي. ስለዚህ እታ መበገሲት ሰዓት ወይ ዕለት ወይ መዓልቲ ኢና እንጠቕሳ ኣለና for instance I have lived here since 2020 since in this case ካብ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ክልተ ምርጫ ኣለና ቀዳመይቲ ካብ 2020 ኣትሒዘ ስጋዕ ሕጂ ማለት እዩ ወይ ከዓ ን5 ዓመታት ዝኣክል ስለዚ for duration of time ይለርየና ነቲ ንውሓት ግዜ እታ since ግን ታመበገሲት ግዜ ጥራይ ተርእየና ስለዚ we have to differentiate this two words ማለት እዩ for and since mistake number 9 ታሽዒቲ ጌጋ I have much friends ብዙሓት ይዕሩኽ ኣለውኒ ንምባል some people say I have much friends much ግን ምስ uncountable nouns ኢና ንጥቀመሉ uncountable nouns ክንብል ከለና ዘይቁፀር ማለት እዩ for instance I can say I don't drink much milk milk ሕጂ ክቁፀር ኣይክእልኒ ፀባ ማይ ዝኾነ ፈሳሲ ክንቆፅሮ ስለ ዘይንኽእል much ክንብል ንኽእል ኢና but friends ክንቆፅሮም ንኽእል ኢና ሓደ ዓርክለን ክልተ ዓርኪ ሓሙሽተ so we say I have many friends ስለዚ many is used with countable nouns I have many friends I have many books إلنا مسكن قطرون خل nouns many نتكا okay the last one زينكا ببزحي سب زدانغرا sentences in I owe you and you owe me حدين أنا نعها جنزب يودكا مالتها حنتها نسخة معي جنزب تودني so which one is which try to find out the answer and leave it in the comments. Up comments, I will reply there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.